But if I had one gripe, welcome to the Rhythm Studio, where we're talking music production and music technology. I'm Warren Henry. By now you must be familiar with the fact that Warm Audio has released the WA-1B, an all-tube optical compressor. I'm not going to bore you with all the details because there are plenty of videos out there right now, but let's get right into it. The Warm Audio WA-1B is an all-tube optical compressor designed after the TubeTech CL-1B. In my opinion, it's the perfect first compressor due to its flexible nature. Let me explain. It can provide smooth, forgiving compression on virtually any dynamic source, all while imparting a sound that is characteristic of tubes. Some of the features I like are the flexible attack and release. Fixed allows the attack and release to be determined by the optical circuitry. Fixed/manual gives you a fixed attack, but the release time is determined by the user. And fully manual allows you to set both the attack and the release time, of course manually. Another huge plus is the stepped knobs used throughout the whole design. The small differences in the click allow for micro adjustments. That means you have the ultimate in precision. This is hugely important because now you have extreme precision with each and every setting. So if you are a heavy-handed user, beware. So now, what don't I like about this compressor? Well, to begin with, there's very little to not like about this compressor. In my opinion, it is the best entryway into all of Warm's compression line due to its extreme flexibility. But if I had one gripe, it would be the way the manual has been written. The lack of suggested starting points for commonly recorded instruments is bound to leave the novice user disappointed. More on that in the next video. Right now, here are a few examples of what it sounds like right out of the box. See you in the next video. Here's 10:1. 10:1 is a limiting ratio. You wouldn't use it on vocals. You use it for effect. And right now, with a 10:1 ratio, still with the same threshold setting, I'm getting approximately 2 dB of gain reduction. So I'm going to raise the gain reduction by 2. 1, 2 little baby clicks. This is what it sounds like now. 10:1. Extreme. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You would never use this on regular vocal tracks. It's way too extreme. 10:1 is considered a limiting ratio.